Plants and animals that live on land are called abiotic. Aquatic habitats, terrestrial habitants, biotic. Explanation. Correct answer. Plants and animals that live on land are called terrestrial organisms. Their habitats are referred to as terrestrial habitats. Option C correctly uses the term terrestrial habitants. Key point. Habitat refers to the natural home or environment of an animal, plant, or other organism. Habitats can be broadly classified into aquatic, water-based, and terrestrial, land-based. Additional information. Abiotic factors are the non-living parts of an ecosystem, like temperature, water, soil. Biotic factors are the living parts of an ecosystem, plants, animals, microorganisms. Aquatic habitats include oceans, lakes, rivers, etc.